will discuss about few more questions. Who among the following brought the first printing machine in India? Portuguese. Who among the following introduced Kolino system in Bengal? Ballal Sen. Third Buddhist council was held at which of the following places? Patulibutru. The word vaccine has been derived from a Latin word which related to cow. The Great Bath was found from the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro. From which of the following East India Company acquired Bombay on a lease on 27th March 1668? British Empire. Which tribal leader known as Dharti Abba, father of war Birsa Munda? Which one of the following passes is located in Uttarakhand? Lipu Lake. Which of the following is the largest coal-producing state of India? Jharkhand. Which among the following is a local wind fan? Which among the following was the first Bengali newspaper? Samachar Darpan. In which year Nawab of Bengal Siraj-ud-Dowla attacked British factory in Calcutta? 1756. Poto paintings were popularized by Kalighat. Name the composer whose songs are known as Konthogiti. Rajinikanto Sen. Which among the following bodies regulated mutual funds in India? SEBI. Which of the following is not an official language of the United Nations? Portuguese. Rickets is a deficiency disease of vitamin D in bone. Which one of the following disease in human can spread through air? Tuberculosis. The examples of cryptogamous plants are Riccia. Which 5-year plan was based upon Molanovic model? Second. At present, India is following managed floating exchange rate. In which country Al Azizia, the hottest place of earth, is located? Libya. In which of the following continent the Andes mountain range is located? South America. In which year nationalization of SBI subsidiaries took place? 1959. West Bengal Surface Transport Corporation WBSTC was established in the year 1989. In which year Public Debt Act was passed? 1944. The site of cellular respiration in animal cell is mitochondria. Shortest day of the year in northern hemisphere 22nd December. The asteroids are small celestial bodies in the solar system which are found between the planets Mars and Jupiter. The Minimum Wages Act was first passed in the year 1948. Economic planning comes under which of the following list? Concurrent list. Short-term government and securities is called treasury bills. Which national highway known as Sher-Shah Suri Marg NH1? The national rubber is a polymer of isoprene. The Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Sattariya dance, recognized as a classical dance in 2000, originated from Assam. Devendra Jhajaria, who was awarded Khel Ratna in 217 with which sport? Javelin throw. Which of the following is the correct height for troposphere? The sea level 10 km approx. Chuquicamata in Chile is famous for which of the following ores? Copper. A Bend in the River book is written by B.S. Naipaul. Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve included in UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve located in which state? Sikkim.